Hey, Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So we're going to talk about how I got my first cut. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some gadgets. I'm sorry, but I don't know. Some of the tools that are in my garage kind of help me quilt, and my laser level, it works. Okay, so in a situation like this, all right, forgive me for such a drab-looking self-healing mat. Okay, I'm sorry, but on I have a cutting mat, self-healing mat that's going to fill up the whole table on order. All right. So look, this is what we're doing. So I just made a reference point to this line on my cutting mat. Right. I want to stay on that line because it's hard to put your fabric over and keep taking peeks. Right. Keep taking peeks and stay on the same exact spot. All right, because we want precise cuts here for our kaleidoscope quilt. All right, so what I did was I put my laser up. I kind of put it up a little bit so that it's raised above and it can shine down onto my cutting mat. Now, another thing you need to pay attention to when you're cutting these precise cuts is manipulating your fabric. Okay, when you lay your fabric out to be cut for something that needs precision cuts like this, like the kaleidoscope, you can't manipulate it, stretching it and moving it around because you're going to throw it off. Okay, so look at this wing right here. So if I keep manipulating it, see how the wing starts to move? All right, we don't want that. Okay, we don't want to change the pattern itself. Okay, so what we're going to do is, all right, we're just going to let it lay down. All right, it's going to let it lay down. I know I kind of have a general idea of what my reference point is on this wing right here. It's between here, this spot right here, and that big black area right there, okay? But I'm not gonna move it around in that way. I'm just gonna, on the far end, I'm gonna bring that fold up a little bit so that I have space to cut on, okay? Remember on the very first time I was talking about this, that the H, between the H and the W is where we want our blade to go. And that is not even. So I'm not gonna manipulate the fabric. I wanna pull from two sides, like two points up here, to slide it over just a little bit. All right, that's where we want our blade to go. You can see our beam almost on point, almost. Okay, almost. So we're just gonna put that in position. There we go. So if you look, all right, so this is where we cut before. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. This is where the blade went. This is where the blade passed. And we want that same spot here as we do on here. All right? That's how precise this has to be, because later on, we're going to stack these on top of one another. And then we're going to cut again with them laying on top of one another. And that's why it's so important, okay? So while we got our beam laid out and we got our cut angle where we want it, let's go ahead and cut it, okay? So I'm gonna get my ruler. Now, with my ruler, I'm gonna put it right on the beam, okay? Because the beam has a measurement too. The beam is not, like a zero, all right? It's got some type of measurement to it. So I usually put the very edge, you can see the reflection kind of, the very edge on the beam. And then we will cut, all right? We're gonna make sure that we are in the exact place we wanna cut. Now I use a little weight. All right, I put a weight on the end of my ruler so that my cut is more precise. There's no movement. And then we're just gonna run our blade right on up. All right. Nice sharp blade. No pressure, just run the blade right up. Good clean cut. Okay, so what's next? You know what's next. So we got a 24-inch distance from this H to the next H. All right, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave everything where it's at. All right, I'm not gonna do too much movement. All right, I'm just gonna slide. All right, so I'm just gonna slide this over, I guess. We're gonna move our fabric up to the next H. All right, so let's make sure we have it on a line. I'm gonna put this on this line right here. Look at that movement. See that movement? That's so cool. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna slide this down to the next H. I'm sorry I keep saying the next H, but that's how I know, that's my reference point, right? All right, here we go. down. All right, so now I'm kind of used to this butterfly wing up here, so I already know what I'm doing. I already kind of understand where the general area I need to be in, which is right about there. Let's look down here. Look at that. Almost on it. Almost exactly on it. All right. I know you probably can't see that in the camera, but look at that. That's pretty good. It's not bad, right? So I'm going to look at that. I'm going to refer to this top wing and make sure I am where I'm supposed to be. I need to slide over some, just a little bit. All right. Am I still on the H right there? Okay, so let's get our ruler. Remember, now you don't need to. All right, so look, guys, if you don't have a laser, don't cringe. All right, you can still use your cutting mat. All right, you're just gonna have to be careful. So let's do that. Okay, so let's. I'm gonna show you how we do it without the laser. All right, I'm showing off with my laser. All right, so let me turn the laser off. All right. We're not going to be Sadidi in here. We want our new quilters to be just as enthralled or to join us as everyone else. Okay, so up here I have 25, the 25 inch line, 25th inch line. All right. So with that, I'm just going to make sure, without manipulating, without stretching the fabric at all, I'm going to try to put my fabric as close to that as possible. All right, I'm gonna hold it still. Come down here. 25 is right here. All right, we are almost there, I think, right? Look at that, 25. Let's go ahead and put that on just a little bit, just a little bit. 25, I'm gonna put my ruler on top to make sure, because that's the line right there. There we go, we're in business, okay? So we're going to do a cut here. 25, 25. All right, 25 up here. So we know that this dot on the wing needs to be, look at this. We know that this dot, look at that dot right there. We know that dot needs to be on this side of the cut. So if I'm cutting on this side, then I'm off, right? So we need to be on that side of that dot. Okay, all right, that looks kosher to me. Okay, down here at the H. All right, guys, let's go for a cut here. Okay, put my weight down. Get my trusty dusty rotary cutter here. All right, nice cut. All right, we just want to show that you can do your precision cuts without using the laser. The laser is not mandatory. All you need is some patience, okay? So I'm going to cut about 4 more of these. We're going to stack and whack them. Stack and whack meaning we're going to stack the 4 that we cut all together, lay them out. We're going to cut our strips, okay? So when we come back, we'll cut strips, and we're going to get hot and heavy on our kaleidoscope. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.